Pakistan's justice system faces significant challenges in the realm of law and evidence. A critical comparison with India highlights the lack of recent reforms in the Qanoon-e-Shahadat law of evidence in Pakistan. The need for modernizing legal provisions to ensure fairness, transparency, and justice. In India, continuous reforms are being made to adapt the law to current needs. Pakistan, however, has seen little progress in amending its Qanoon-e-Shahadat. This stagnation leads to outdated practices that do not adequately serve modern-day justice. Justice Roshan Dalvi shared that outdated laws hinder the fair application of justice, especially in cases involving sensitive testimony. When a woman gives her testimony, the court asks, "Is there another witness?" This question is never asked when a man speaks. Gender bias in the justice system is reinforced by outdated testimony laws, which often question a woman's credibility more than a man's. Justice Dalvi emphasized the need for equal treatment of male and female testimonies and pointed out that such biases exist due to deep-rooted cultural and legal traditions that need to change. We teach judges the law, but not how to understand human behavior and emotions when someone is in distress. Judges often lack the training to perceive emotional distress or the complexity of human behavior in court, leading to a legal system that may be technically correct but emotionally disconnected. Justice Dalvi urged for judicial reforms that focus not just on legal technicalities but also on understanding the human condition and responding with empathy. Justice is not just about the law, it is about humanity and empathy. Reforming the legal system in Pakistan should focus on integrating human values with legal frameworks. Justice Dalvi explained that while laws must be followed, the judicial system must evolve to consider human emotion, social context, and psychological factors to ensure true justice. If a woman is beaten by her husband soon after marriage and remains silent for years, when she finally speaks up, we must not dismiss her testimony because of the delay. The legal system must be aware of the reasons behind delays in giving testimony, especially for women, and must not automatically assume dishonesty based on timing. Justice Dalvi emphasized that understanding why, when, and how someone speaks is essential for a just outcome, particularly in sensitive cases like domestic abuse. Pakistan's justice system needs urgent reforms to address the gap between legal practices and modern-day needs. By learning from India's progressive amendments, we can introduce changes in Qanoon-e-Shahadat to make the legal process more inclusive, fair, and just. Karamat Hussain Janjua advocates for a comprehensive review of the system to modernize legal frameworks and ensure justice is accessible for all. As Justice Dalvi urged, modernizing the laws is essential, but so is ensuring judges are trained to understand both legal and human complexities.